A beautiful, sun-drenched morning, bathed in golden light, hidden away in the quiet shadows of an old garage. A forgotten machine has been waiting. Today, Alicia feels the pull of adventure. She wants to awaken this vintage motorcycle from its long slumber. Let's follow along and see what kind of magic she and her friend will bring to this classic ride.
Okay, I'm on. It feels a little heavy now. Are you ready? Are you ready? Wow, it's such a beautiful morning. The air feels so fresh out here and everything's so quiet. Yeah, I love mornings like this. Stronger. Woo! Wow, the vibration feels really strong. Yeah, you can really feel it. Okay, here we go. Got it, looks good.
It's been such a beautiful day. Getting to experience the raw vibrations of that classic motorcycle was an absolute joy. But as the day winds down, Alicia tucks it away quietly in her secret garage once more. Thank you for coming along with us. See you on the next adventure.